Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on TCL 305i. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one being on the bottom, here and here, so that means two speakers on the bottom. Next one is on top of our screen right there. And now to check if there's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If not, then it's not. Let's try it out. Okay, so the sound is not coming from a phone call speaker right here. I'm also gonna check if the sound is actually coming from both of those speakers. Let's see. Okay, nice. Sound is coming only from the right speaker right here, and not from this one for some reason. Maybe my phone is broken. You can see if it's the same on your phone if you have it. So I'm not gonna confirm that that's the stereo speaker, since the sound is coming only from one speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.